will talk about how can you pay gift cards on your Papa Johan's apps. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on general here. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on gift cards, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video, click here on pay gift card here. So then it's going to take you to another link. Just switch into open video here. So in the here, then here, so can you add your name and all information. Then it's going to show for you all cards, or click here on pick a gift card here. Then it's going to show for you. If you want to choose for a friend or for you, that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.